Can you create Telegram account with email? Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, make sure that you have Telegram application installed in your device. If not, simply open up the Play Store and from the Play Store, download the Telegram application by searching Telegram in the search bar. So simply tap on download, and once the application is downloaded in your device, simply launch the Telegram application. And as soon as you open it up, it will ask you to log in. So for that, tap on start messaging. And as you can see, the first thing that Telegram asks you for login is your phone number. So here, you will not be able to log in to Telegram with your email. In order to create an account in Telegram, you have to use your phone number, and your phone number is necessary to create an account in Telegram. So simply type in your country and then type in your phone number. After that, tap on this arrow icon, and there you have to type in your username or your name or your account name for Telegram. And once you have set up your account, you will have an account in Telegram. So with that in your mind, you will not be able to create an Telegram account with email. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.